Welcome to Rhyme and Shine. Let's celebrate Raksha Bandhan together.
Brush your hair, wear new clothes, smiles and colors, everyone glows. Sister walks with a plate so sweet, with the rice and a treat to eat. She ties the Rakhi with great care, whispers love and says a prayer. Brother says, I'll guard you strong, right the wrong and fight the wrong. They laugh, they hug, they share a sweet. This is how the hearts do meet. Rakhi is a thread of gold, with stories of protection told. Boys and girls, hear this rhyme. Be kind to siblings all the time. Respect, protect, help and cheer. That's Rakhi's message every year. Rakhi is love, Rakhi is light. It makes our bond forever bright. Rakhi is care, Rakhi is fun, for every daughter, every son.
Happy Raksha Bandhan from Rhyme and Shine. If you like this song, please like, share, and subscribe.